Barry, can you tell us where
Oh
we're
yeah,
at?
we here came to look at Oscar Isa. Guatemalteco lindo mira. No, actually we came to see this Museum of Illusions, located downtown DC. I don't know exactly the street, something H Street. Not far from Cuba Libre, and we come in here to see some installations that they have. We paid like almost $100 with all these fees for the family, and they saying it's gonna take around 45 minutes to get through the place, but also they not limiting you to stay longer. If you want to stay longer, take more pictures, videos, you can. So let's go and see.
Hi guys, you can do this and this one. We can spin them.
Wow.
And look at that one. Look at that one. It's going so fast.
Mommy's already dizzy, guys.
Look at me.
Oh yeah, you got purple and green. Oh wow.
Ah! Oh my God.
Awesome.
Guys, I feel like I'm actually falling.
Alright, let's go.
What else?
You see, it's a 3D microscope, and you can actually look inside the.
Oh really?
Yeah, try it.
What's here on this? There's an endless glass.
Guys, what's in there?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's just one, and then the rest is just reflection.
Yeah, it's just one. It's just a reflection.
Look!
Oh yeah, look, Tosha. It looks like she doesn't have a body. Look. Hi, Vanessa. Taking my picture, man.
Hi guys! We don't have a body.
No, you don't have a body.
There's so many daddies. There's so many Tonys.
Yeah, right. The infinity room, Tosha. There's.
You can see the body from all the angles. This
Oh
is
yeah. Look, Juanecita can hold it.
Yeah, that's like Michael Jackson. This.
Wow, look at you.
Look at this one, Daddy. I took a picture of this.
Stay right there. You take the pictures.
Stay with Tosha.
Oh, you want to use my camera?
Oh wait, I How do you guys lean like that?
I know, right? Look at Tosha. He's like. Oh, it's the metro. Look, that's the seats. size. The same size.
The same size.
Same size, yeah. That looks really good. Oh yeah, that's good. Tasha, you want a croissant? Apricot pistachio cake. What is this?
Manisita, what is it? Tell Daddy.
What is it?
A cheesecake cup. It's really good.
Oh really?
Cheesecake cup.
What you got, man?
I got this lemon raspberry pavlova dessert. I think it's something, I don't know. I mean, it's popular in my country. I never tried it, so I'm gonna try it. Just see.
Oh, Chef. Hi there.
It smells very good, guys.
It does. Tasha, tell us what you got there.
Ooh.
What you got?
Look what's inside of it.
That looks
Hey,
good.
avocado.
Avocado
Hold it
and
with two
ham.
hands.
Ham, yeah.
Turkey and avocado.
Ooh, how is it?
Good.
Oh yeah? Wow.
I just can't bite that long.
Oh.
You want to open it?
Barry, you enjoying your coffee?
How Vanessa talks, my sister talks. Our beaches, we're here in Cuba Libre.
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 Libre. On the table.
Hi guys, we're just walking to the car because we had a fun day. We went to museum, the magical things,
Illusions.
the illusions, and you could spin that thing around, and then it starts going around and around.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to go there a lot of times.
Oh, cool.
It was so cool.
Yeah.
And there was a magic chair, and when you sit in it you get so small.
Yeah.
Guys, there's so many buildings in DC, so check them out, and also remember to like and subscribe.
I think the museum was super cool. My favorite part was like the spinny thing, where you could like go upside down and stuff. It was super cool.
Tell us about your British accent.
So since we're in DC, I want to speak a British accent to be more fancy. It's like a super fancy place.
Oh, okay.
So if you walk in the museum, if you walk into that bridge, you see that you're actually going upside down, but if you close your eyes, you don't feel it.
Yeah, exactly.
And when you open your eyes, you feel it.
Yeah, true.
And I was screaming there like crazy because I thought I was gonna fall down because there's a really deep tunnel that we can cross that bridge, and it looks like we're falling down because the thing is going over and it looks like we're falling down.